Welcome back to Saturday Daybreak. I am here with Julianne Bitely, Saturday Daybreak's resident. It's good, I promise, even though it's good for you, even though you wouldn't think it is, and it tastes great. You're the resident, that person.
Oh, well, I feel flattered. Thank you.
And you brought a really cool device today to talk to us about Italian food?
Yes, okay, so when you go gluten-free, the biggest hole in your heart, I think, is where Italian food used to be.
Pasta.
Yeah, pasta. And the pastas that are gluten-free, that are sold next to regular pasta, they don't cut it. They get real gritty, and they stick, and they don't taste like pasta. It's, ugh. Has a really strong flavor, and not one that you're used to.
Not a good one. Okay.
I have 3 different pasta options. 3. And they're actually all paleo and all low carb.
I'm in.
So if you're on Atkins, you can do this.
Oh, good.
So this is the candy contraption you were
It's like
excited
a
about.
curly fry made out of zucchini. That's
Yes.
fantastic.
So this is zucchini. This is a spiralizer. You can get this at Williams-Sonoma.
And how much fun would your kids have helping you in the kitchen with
Oh,
this,
yes.
right?
We make food art all the time with our niece and nephew.
Very
Like, this
fun.
makes great hair. So what you do with these is you can either cook them, or if you want to use them in a raw pasta dish, kind of like you think pasta salad, you would squeeze some lemon on it and some salt, leave it for
Just give it a
15
little
minutes.
citrus flavor like that.
And the citric acid will actually cook it some, so it breaks down a little and will eventually be a little softer. But
Okay.
they're good. It's good raw too. The next type of thing is, it's what nature intended when it created spaghetti, I think. Spaghetti squash. Have you ever had it?
No, but Janelle is like, oh yeah, I eat it all the time. She's very veggie.
Okay, so this is my trick with spaghetti squash. This sucker is hard.
Wow.
It's big. It's in season right now.
Go long.
If
Cameron,
you try to cut that
This
thing,
is seriously, yeah.
well, most people say, oh, you have to roast it first. Well, roasting that sucker means you got to cut it in half. And I'm telling you, I've hurt myself so many times.
It's like a baby pumpkin.
So I've given up, and I've just started putting it in my crock pot. It has been the best thing ever. I put it in on low overnight. It comes out perfectly.
like it is.
Just like it is, sticker and all. That's probably not the best part, but
This is the great cooking tip. Go ahead.
Anyway, so whenever you open up this spaghetti squash, if you'll see
I have had
this,
spaghetti squash. Now that I'm looking at it, yes, it's yummy.
it comes out, it's actually kind of sweet and buttery, so it has that sort of flavor, whereas the zucchini is more of a fresh flavor. This has more of the buttery flavor, and we'll try it in the sauce later. So that's the great thing about all these noodles. If you put them in sauce, nobody knows the difference. Well, they might guess, but this is my favorite one. You're gonna think I'm crazy.
Okay, I thought this was decoration. This is edible?
This is edible. This is seaweed.
Stop that.
This is called sea tangle, and it's the best way to get your sea vegetables, which are like the healthiest vegetables in the world. It's naturally gluten-free. You don't have to cook it. You don't have to refrigerate it unless you open it. I mean, it's amazing. I had it at a restaurant in LA. They were serving it as raw pad thai. It was amazing.
Okay, I'm in.
So super easy, and all you do is toss it in your sauce.
And you can buy this in the store.
You can buy that at an Asian market or at Whole Foods.
Okay.
And I'll tell you, when you put it in the sauce, it absorbs some of the flavor. Here we've got all 3 different kinds. And but if you eat it raw, it has kind of a squeaky texture. Do you want to try? Like,
I do want to try, but we're running out of time, and I want you to talk about the sauce, and I want you to show the sauce.
So I'm just wanting to show what the pastas look like once they've been in the sauce. You don't really tell.
It looks like spaghetti.
It does. So that is the zucchini. This is the spaghetti squash.
We're going to go to break. We're going to come right back.
Perfect.
And Janelle and I are going to be eating some.
Yeah.
Stay with us. More Saturday Daybreak in the kitchen with Julianne.
In or after the late ball game. After that, the weather next week looks
Go
great.
to Julianne Bitely's website, wellnessinlittlerock.com. Seaweed is fantastic.
I know. I
Who'da
can't believe you're
guessed?
saying that, but it's so good.
I love it.
So good. Well, enjoy your Saturday, your rainy Saturday. Cheer those Hogs on to victory, and Todd and I will see you at 6 and 10.